Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're going to open the Messenger application. And first I'm going to show you how to restrict someone. You're just going to tap and hold on that conversation. And as you can see, there is a restrict option right above block. Let's go ahead and tap that. And you will be shown this information of what will happen when you restrict someone. Once you've read that, you're just going to tap on restrict that person and it will be restricted. And to unrestrict someone, you're just going to tap on the three-line icon on the top left corner of your screen. And you're going to tap on the gear icon here on the setup option on the top right part of the screen. Just go ahead and tap it. And you will be transferred to the Me page. And to check, I'm just going to scroll down for a bit and go to the preference category. As you can see, there are different options there, but the one we're looking for is privacy and safety. Let's go ahead and tap that, and you will be transferred to this screen. And in this screen, as you can see, there is a category saying who can reach you category, and right next to message delivery, there is the option restricted accounts. Let's go ahead and tap that. And you're now on the list of the restricted accounts. And to unrestrict someone, you're just going to tap on that person, which will transfer you to the conversation. And as you can see on the bottommost part, there is an unrestrict button. You're just going to tap that to unrestrict that person. Let's go ahead and tap it. And that person will be unrestricted now. There you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.